Oh, hello, we are going to do the explore a CC file with a summarized case stats. We're going to use the download dataset. I just used the Titanic for this script. We are going to use this dataset with Pandas and display the column names, number of rows, data types, even show summary statistic with describe. This is so simple. If you are always related about the data science or have you ever used it, Pandas, this is so simple because you're probably doing it with the Kaggle on the Kaggle or some other coding platforms. Okay, let's go. I download my CCV file on my um, environment. You can download it by yourself, and I install all the necessary um, what is that called? Yeah, libraries, but we don't need all of them because I just want to download them because I just need my other works too. Well, let's going deep. First, we need to load our data, and my data is inside of where yeah, this one. This is my data. I'm gonna copy the path and going to Visual Code. A lot of people just name it a DFI, and yeah, we're going to do pandas. Oh wait, firstly we have to import our pandas. Yes, and our things. Probably it will work, but I don't think so because we need to paste our yes right here, and we have to put R because if we just use this like this, look, it doesn't work. We need to R for make it more clearer because it doesn't count it or read it like at a unit scope or a binary. That's why we have to do it as I show you. For the next what we have to we load the data. Let's see the data first. Df head. Okay, you don't need this. Yeah, as you can see, this is our data, and yeah, you can see it here, but this is more like complicated or complex. That's why I use the head. If you wanna check this out, as I mentioned before, our describe button shows summary statistic. Like let's say describe, and yeah, probably it will give an error. No, it doesn't. Okay, this is so simple too. Like it gives us our data frame, um, some column names, and all our integers or inputs or data types too. This is our first. Okay, let's go to the second one. What doesn't go on? Display the column names. Okay, let's go. For the describe the column names, I think we need df dot columns is enough, I guess. Yes, as you can see, our columns is passenger ID, survived, key class and name, and all of others. These are our column names. And for the next one, number of rows, we are going to use for the number of rows. What we can use? We can actually use. There is probably no rows. If there is no rows, let's look. Yeah, probably we can use shape as it mentioned. Yeah, like this. These are our rows, and this is our columns that it mentioned. And the last one, if you mention like why are you looking or using this, because this is normal. If you don't know, just look it up. Like no one can say you anything. You're just learning. That's normal. Data types. Okay. For about the data types, um, let's use this one. What can we do? Let's firstly find our null values data types, right? We can probably do like D types, and that will give us probably data types. Yeah, like this. Yeah, it's worked fine. You can see all the data types that he used. For age, this is not like float. This is probably missing something. It might be like int, but they used like age float. Not a professional one. For the next one, we are going to column. No, probably we are going to use. What is the next one? Oh yeah, check the missing values. How can we check the missing values? First, we have to make a new variable and choose. Now let's see what missing value do we have. Is null. Not all of them. We don't need some. We just let's say some. Never mind. No, we have to see all of them. Let's transfer it like this. For passenger ID, we don't have any. For survive ID, we don't have any. I don't know if we have some missing values in this section or in the sequences, but for now I can't see any of them. Oh, for age we have some, like a true. If it's true, then we have some missing values. Let's see. We find it. We find it. We have to determine all of them. This is age, right? Let's make a new variable. And we don't need this one. Let's call it age. At the same time, let's null values. And for the last one, we probably, as you can see, we find the number of the null values inside of the age. This is only a string that it counts as is, and this is the null value. I have to find it. We make a new variable, define it as age, and after that we make a new ones too, and give all the numbers on it. If you don't like to do that, no, we have to do that because of this. Yeah, probably we find the numbers. Yeah, like, does it say this, right? Yeah, it checks for the missing values. Yes, we did it, and we did it too. If it doesn't count, is like this, like the true, and we have cabin too. We have the true. I just only do that for checking this. Yeah, this is our simple task, and I made the first task. I will make a new video about the second one. Thank you so much for watching my video.